Oh my gosh, guys, this is the final look. This is how it looks like. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing another makeup. So let's get started. First I will be using this prep. Next thing I will be applying my shadow. It's gonna be just for the base. It will be this one here. It's called Desert Land from Huda Beauty. And I'm using this brush, small brush. Right now I'm going to apply this color into my crease. This color. This is Revolution palette. Don't mind, this one is already done. And I'm using this brush. I'm just gonna put it in the crease. Just have to apply it again until I get the color. It's not so visible, just for the intensity. Right now I'm going to apply this color right here from the palette Sleek Makeup, and I'm using this brush. This is a smaller brush. So right now I'm going back with this eyeshadow. You will see why. I'm just gonna blend everything. I will do that one, and then I'll go back to the darker one, because everything else is gonna be darker anyhow later on. So you just wanna make sure that it's all good, blend it out. And a little bit of this darker that I just did. Right now I'm going to apply this eyeliner on my eyelid, just because I want to give it a smoky look. Once I finish with the eyeliner, I'm gonna put black eyeshadow. Right now I'm using this black eyeshadow from the Sleek palette, just to make it more smoky. This small tiny brush. It's really nice. Going back to this brown shade just to make it better so it can be more blended. Right now I'm gonna go with this color here. Put some glitter on it using this brush. It's matching my eyes. My next step is cleaning right here. I'm going to apply the eyeliner. This time I will be using this pencil. It's Aura Black and Perfect. Let's make a perfection. I'm going to use this black pencil. Right now I'm going back to that black eyeshadow. I'm just going to apply it over here. And back to that green. And to finish up everything, I'm gonna use this one. Now for the final look, I'm using lashes. They're from Aura. Let's put them on. Oh my gosh, guys, this is the final look. This is how it looks like.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So yeah, this is how it looks like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.